Good morning, students. Hope you are fine and safe with your family members. In last class, we learnt about connecting peripherals in computer. Let's have a short recap of the topic. Connecting peripherals is used to connect ports and cables in your system, and we discussed various ports and cables like PS by 2 port, that is personal system. Next is audio port, VGA connector. VGA stands for video graphic adapter. Printer parallel port, and the final is USB port, that is universal serial bus. A follow-up work is given based on the topic. I think everyone has done the homework. Let's move on to the class. In today's session, we are going to learn about dismantling and reconnecting, network interface card, and graphic cards. These are the last topics of chapter 1, Computer Fundamentals. Before we start the class, I would like to say a small introduction about the topic. Have you ever seen and used TV remotes? Yes, I think everyone has seen and used TV remote. In the remote, we use batteries. If you want to change the battery in the remote, first you will remove the battery cover and insert new battery which you want to change. In computer also, we can dismantle and reconnect like remotes. Let's see what are the things to be done while dismantling and reconnecting. Sometimes we need to connect the computer for many reasons. Before disconnecting, make sure that power supply is switched off. Do not dismantle your computer without taking precautionary measures. While reconnecting, make sure to connect the peripherals to its corresponding ports. The first main thing to dismantle is check the power supply is switched off. Without taking precautionary measures, you must not dismantle the computer. While rejoining, that is reconnecting computer, check that the ports and cables are connected perfectly in the system. The main device one is used in computer, that is UPS. UPS stands for uninterruptible power supply. It is a device that supplies power to connected equipments from a separate source in the absence of utility power. It takes care of fluctuation and also provides backup cover. A UPS is connected between the main power and the computer. When power failure occurs, the UPS switches from the main source to its own power automatically to give continuous power supply. It is typically used to protect computer from short circuit, data loss, and fatalities. The main thing in UPS is to protect computer from short circuit, data loss, and fatalities. A UPS is connected between the main power and the computer. This is about UPS. Now we learnt about dismantling and reconnecting in computer. Let's move on to the another topic, network interface card. For example, everyone uses mobile phone. If you don't have internet, you will connect to personal hotspot of others to access the internet. Likewise, in computer also there is a property that is network called Ethernet that is used to connect network access for the system. Network interface card is used by PC systems to connect to an Ethernet or wireless network. Most desktop system network interface card is pre-installed by the manufacturer and separate router is used to create home office network. The main use of network interface card is home office network. It has another name called network interface, that is network adapter. Network interface card are used only in computers. It is not used in laptops and PDA, that is personal digital assistant. It is used only in computer. The image represents the network interface card. Like this only network interface card looks like. Now purpose. What is the purpose of network interface card? Network interface card allows both wired and wireless communication. Network interface card allows communication between computers connected via local area network LAN, as well as communications over large scale network through internet protocol. Network interface card is both a physical layer and a data link layer service. It provides the necessary hardware circuitry so that the physical layer processes and some data link layer processes can run on it. This is the purpose of network interface card. Next we going to learn about graphic cards. A graphic card is also known as video card. For example, in theater we used to watch 3D movies. 3D movies without a graphic card, 3D images cannot be displayed in theaters. In computer also, without a graphic card, it cannot display 3D images in the monitor. It has another name called video card. A graphic card installed in a computer contains the graphic processing unit to process and display images, especially 3D on the computer's monitor or display screen. Graphic cards have their own memory and do not use system RAM memory. RAM stands for random access memory. Three things in graphic card is, it is also called as video card. A graphic card installed in a computer contains GPU, that is graphic processing unit, to display images, especially 3D images on the computer's monitor. Graphic card have their own memory and do not use system RAM memory. Let's see its benefits. Overall system performance increase in your PC. Graphic performance increase. Better gaming experience. Running multiple monitors. Better drive support. And more features. These are the 6 benefits of graphic cards. In today's session, we learned about dismantling and reconnecting, network interface card and graphic cards. Let's summarize what we have learned. Dismantling and reconnecting. To dismantle a computer, check that the power supply is switched off. To reconnect the computer, check the ports and cables are perfectly connected. Do not dismantle your computer without taking precautionary measures. Next is UPS. It is a power supply that supplies power to the connected equipments from a separate source in the absence of utility power. It takes care of fluctuations and also provides backup cover. A UPS is connected between the main power and computer. It is typically used to protect computer from short circuit, data loss and fatalities. Next is network interface card. Network interface card is used by personal computer system to connect to an Ethernet or wireless network. It has another name called network adapter. Mostly desktop system is pre-installed by the manufacturer and a separate router is used to create home office network. Network interface card is not used in laptops. It is used in computers. The purpose of network interface card is it allows both wired and wireless communications. Next is graphic cards. This is the last topic. A graphic card is also known as video card. A graphic card installed in a computer contains the graphic processing unit to process and display 3D images on the computer's monitor. Graphic card have their own memory and do not use system RAM memory, that is random access memory. Benefits: overall system performance, graphic performance, better gaming experience, running multiple monitors and more feature. This is about graphic card. Now we summarize today's topic. By this, your first chapter is over. Next is your follow-up work. Don't be too tired of doing follow-up work, students. To do the homework, it will be useful to learn for exams. First question is, what are the uses of graphic cards? Second question is, what is network interface card? To write the answer, refer this video and textbook to write the answers. To submit the follow-up work, you have to first install GCR, that is Google Classroom. Step 1, go to Play Store, install Google Classroom. After opening Google Classroom, click on Join Class. It will ask for class code to join and join the class to the following code, that is HBCIM2J. I will repeat, HBCIM2J. Don't forget to submit your follow-up work in GCR, students. Thank you, students. See you in next class by starting a new chapter, that is computer viruses and network. Thank you, students.